Welcome to iQuestionPH. Our today's question is, what is a subject pronoun? Pronouns are words that replace nouns in sentences. They are used to avoid repetition of names in sentences or paragraphs. A subject pronoun is a pronoun that replaces the noun as the subject in a sentence. The subject is the one that is performing the action. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing, or idea. The following are the subject pronouns: he, she, it, you, we, and they. Let's study the following sentences. Number 1. Camille likes to help people. Camille is really kind. In these sentences, the subject or the one performing the action is Camille. To avoid the repetition of name in the second sentence, we should replace the subject noun with an appropriate subject pronoun, which is she. The sentence will now become, Camille likes to help people. She is really kind. Example number 2. My classmates will join the school choir. My classmates will audition later. The subject in these two sentences is my classmates. If we make use of the subject pronoun in the second sentence, which is they, the sentence will now become, my classmates will join the school choir. They will audition later. And example number 3. The laptop is not working properly. The laptop should be fixed immediately. The subject here is the laptop. And replacing this noun in the second sentence with an appropriate pronoun, which is it will now become, the laptop is not working properly. It should be fixed immediately. Subject pronouns are not really that difficult to look at too. Just remember that they are the ones performing the action and can most often be found in the beginning of the sentence. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.